The Clarke CMS10S2B sliding compound mitre saw with laser offers fast and accurate cross, bevel and mitre cutting in most hard and softwoods. It features a laser guide to give the user an accurate preview of the saw blade path. The CMS10S2B features a large rotating and lockable table, allowing the cutting of stock up to 340 mm wide and 90 mm thick. Stops are provided for table angles of 0, 15, 22.5, 30 and 45 degrees. A depth stop is provided to enable simple and accurate trench or dado cuts. The head can be tilted to the left by up to 45 degrees for bevel or compound mitre cutting. And the solid base can either be screwed or bolted to the bench using the mounting holes in the feet, or used portably for site work. A range of portable mitre saw stands are available from your local Clarke stockist. The CMS10S2B comes with both a 10-inch or 255mm 40-tooth TCT wood cutting blade, plus a 60-tooth blade for finer work. Other features include a blade safety guard, dust extraction outlet, dust bag, workpiece supports, dual sliding rails for a smooth sliding action, and a work clamp. The workpiece supports on either side of the table are adjustable and also incorporate a flip-up stop. With its 2000-watt 230-volt motor spinning the blade at up to 7,000 RPM, the Clarke CMS10S2B mitre saw will give you many years of service.